Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you on how to top up your WeChat wallet. So let's get started. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a Lincoln 1688, Taoba or Pinduoduo or Idofish, or you want me to fund your WeChat wallet or Alipay, or you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe. Turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your WeChat and open up your WeChat. Having opened up your WeChat, next thing you need to do is to click on the main icon from the bottom right here. Click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to click on Pay and Services. Then it's going to take you right here. Click on Wallet. The next thing you need to do is to click on Balance. The next thing you need to do is to click on Top Up. Then click on Add Debit Card. Then here, enter your card detail, card number right here. So I'm going to straight up and enter my card number right here. After you enter your card number, next thing you need to do is to click on Agree and Add. Click on that. Then enter your payment password right here. Then click on Next. Next thing I need to do is to select OTP SMS. Having select OTP SMS, hit on Continue. I'm waiting for the OTP SMS from the bank. Then the OTP is here. Copy the OTP. Enter it right here. Having entered the OTP, hit on Submit. It's going to take you right here. Simply hit on Done. Then enter your payment password. Then hit on OK. Hit on OK.